So to start an instant meeting inside of Google Meet, first of all, go to meet.google.com and then be signed in with your Google account just like this. And then you get to this window if you're using the public version of Google Meet. If you're using G Suite, then the menu will appear in the right, and all of the rest of the functions are the same between both of the versions of Google Meet. So I'm just going to go around over here and click on New Meeting, and over here you see three options, and this is what we're going to be focusing on right now. That is Start an Instant Meeting. So let me just click on it, and what happens is that it says joining. But what happens is that the meeting has not been started yet. So you can see the webcam now, you can see the microphone right here. So you can turn off the microphone or turn off the camera before you even join the meeting. And if you still want to access the settings for your camera and microphone, you can go over here onto the More Settings option, and then you can go to Settings right here and access the same settings that you would on the main Google Meet homepage. So you can see the microphone option right here, the video option right here on the resolution that you want to send. So you can send high definition video as well and receive high definition. But if you want to receive high definition, you have to be sure that you're using a high bandwidth internet. So just like this, now in order to start the meeting and to invite other people, you go and click join now, just like this. And what happens is that you got the invitation code right here, which you can copy and send to other people, which you're going to see in further lessons right here. So now you can see that this is the Google Meet. So I'm already inside a meeting now. So this is where I can invite people and then start working with them. So to understand more about the interface, we'll be taking a look at it on the next lesson. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.